Zoom Video CMS allows you to create video channels full of curated content for your audiences. Let's walk through how it all works, starting here in the Recordings and Videos tab. Since we are in Zoom Events, all of your event recordings are here and ready to use. Most of the best content happens live anyway. From here, we can manage all our recordings, add recording details like thumbnails, and quickly add these videos to any of our existing video channels. One of my favorite features here is the ability to trim recordings to ensure that they are ready to go for your audience. Moving now to playlists. Playlists help you keep your content organized. A single playlist can be added to multiple video channels, which provides a simple way to keep those channels up to date with the latest video content. Now let's build a channel. Channels are individual web pages that contain curated content for specific audiences. Channels can be hosted by Zoom or embedded on external websites. Let's build a Zoom-hosted channel first. Start by filling out all our channel detail information. Then we can begin to build out the content for this channel. We can add both playlists and individual videos. Configuration is where we can manage this specific channel and get the settings all right. Registration allows us to gather info from our viewers before they watch the video. We can also use authentication and an allow list to limit who can view these videos. Or we can bypass authentication and keep this channel completely public. Authentication can also be used without registration to create gated channels that are only available to qualified users. Common use cases would be to use SSO and create internal-only video channels, or add a list of group members who can view this content. Let's publish our channel and see what it looks like. There we go. We have created and published a channel full of selected content ready for viewing. Let's talk now about getting this content in front of the right viewers. We have a few options. First, we now have a channel link and can even set up custom domains and keep our URLs brand friendly. As we noticed right when we started, we can also create channels to embed on external websites. In that case, we go through the same setup process, except we instead edit the style of our channel or individual video we'd like to embed, and copy the script to take to our website. All authentication that we have set up works seamlessly wherever we embed this channel. Finally, every Zoom Sessions and Events license includes a content hub, where you can display upcoming and past events along with any of your video channels. This hub is the perfect landing spot for any of your ongoing event or content programs, and keeps the most relevant and timely content in front of your audience. Now that your content is out there, it's time to start measuring its impact. Here in the Analytics tab, you can view summary statistics, see which videos are performing the best, and if registration is enabled, you can understand which viewers are watching which content and for how long. In addition, we can zoom out and look at our hub analytics to understand the overall impact of our video channels. And the attendee profile helps you understand how engaged an individual is across all of the content on your hub. Well, thanks for watching this quick overview, but be sure to stay tuned because there is so much more to come with Video CMS from Zoom Events.